self-referential, which is sort of subjective, and empirical analysis only, which all these sort of devices that meaning is sort of predicated on not the literal statement itself.
Mental disorders from a linguistic perspective.
You have supraliminal, you have hyperliminal, you have hypnosis, and a lot of these things were done inadvertently.
I can also write, and I find writing or transcribing and transposing is difficult. Transposing is when you change the key of one song to arrange it in another key.
Premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream. Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception.
Momentum, what determines velocity.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Historical devices is the power of persuasion.